Howdy folks, Doc Reese here. Just want to start sharing some of the tools I've gotten that have made my job easier and hopefully make other people's lives easier as well. Just got this in a couple days ago, have not used it yet, so this will be first time using it on the Jeep front axle shaft here. This is a Tiger Tool U-joint service kit, and this is 3 of their pieces that you can buy individually, but I like to buy my stuff in a case so it's easier to transport, easier to clean up, put away, and stow. So this does come in a hard case. And inside they have a bearing installer, so you would put your cap on this. There's actually a magnet on here that holds it, and your other one would go there. So instead of using a C-clamp or a vise or whatever you use to put your U-joint caps in, you would put it on this tool, and usually uses like a C-clamp to install it. It also has the U-joint puller here and a set of pliers, which would traditionally pull your outside clips. A drive shaft would clip it and then pull it out. This one uses internal rings, so this tool would work, but for something like my Dodge drive shaft, that would work great. So go ahead and get her out of the box here and go get it hooked up, and we'll put her to work, see what she does. One thing I forgot to mention, that this is the Automotive size tool, handles up to I believe 1.5 inch U-joints, so most of your pickups, smaller vehicles, in this case a Jeep, this tool will take care of it. And the whole thing together as a package, I think it was $210. If you would have bought each piece individually, would have been about $220, so save $10, but I got everything all in one case so I can keep all my tools together. This one's pretty this is going to be interesting. It's going to be a good test, but all these U-joints, the caps are pretty rusty. I cleaned them up a little bit, the first one I wanted to try anyway, and actually it moves this way, but not this way. The U-joint's locked up. So, alright, so that one will be coming out, pushing that way. That is tight. Give her a schwack. Gain anything? Probably not. But we did. I can hear it starting to creak. Something's creaking. Yep, there we go. Got a little bit of movement off of it. Right, just schwack it again. Yep. Got a little bit more movement. Tight again. A lot of movement that time. Ooh. Good old Jeep U-joints. Almost out. Yep, and there she is. Bottomed out. It's tight. Go ahead and hit it with a hammer. It's tight. was fighting me the whole way out. There goes my ratchet again. Not gonna learn, am I? Sound like it broke loose. Yep, looks like it did. It's crooked, that's why. It's pushing it out crooked. But it is pushing it out nonetheless. Alright. Well, I'm going to have to work on this since it is pushing a little crooked. And yeah. But that's the basic synopsis of it. You'll push the cap out, and when it's ready, you can pull right out and your U-joint will come out of the yoke. So definitely a useful tool. A little bit of manual labor, but definitely beats the alternative.